All right, number 15, we're just going to apply order of operations to this problem and then solve it. So we have 2 in parentheses negative 6 plus parentheses negative 4 and then in parentheses negative 2 squared close parentheses all divided by negative 4 squared plus 16. All right, so when we work this, the grouping symbols here, this division bar acts as a grouping symbol. It separates the top from the bottom. So I'll try to work the top and the bottom simultaneously at the same time. So I will do on the top 2 times negative 6, which will give us a negative 12, plus, I'm just going to write down the negative 4. And then, again, that 2 is squaring the 2 only, not the negative. That the squared would need to be outside the parentheses to square the negative. So this is 2 squared, which is 4, and then make it negative. So this is a negative 4. And then on the bottom, we have 4 squared, which is 16, and then make it negative because it's not in parentheses, and then plus 16. Okay, so from right here, I can see my answer. The fact that when we simplify this bottom, this is going to give us 0 on the bottom. Doesn't matter what's on the top. This function is going to be undefined because of that. So I can stop there, and I will say that this expression is undefined. All right, number 16. Again, we're going to apply order of operations and simplify this problem one step at a time. So negative 5, and then in parentheses, negative 2, minus, open bracket, open parentheses, 4 squared, close parentheses, plus, open parentheses, 8, minus 3, close parentheses, close bracket. All right, so we're going to go order of operations, and since this is in a bracket grouping symbol and this is outside, I can do these, as long as I do these separate, it doesn't matter. I know you want to do inside grouping symbols first, but since this is separated by minus, you can actually do this and it won't affect the problem. So negative 5 and negative 2 gives me a positive 10 minus, and then in my bracket, 4 squared is 16 because all of these are separated with a plus or minus sign, so they're going to be done individually anyway. And then this grouping symbol, 8 minus 3, have to do that, is 5. Okay, so I've done my grouping symbols and my exponents, so now I continue with grouping symbols. 6 plus 5 gives us 21. So then we have 10 minus 21, and that gives us negative 11.